In today's video, I am going to teach you how to adjust the price for product variant on Wix. To begin, open your Wix dashboard. This is where you manage all of your store settings and product details. Once you are inside the dashboard, look for Store Products, then click Products. This will take you to the area where all of the items in your store are listed. From here, find the specific product that has the variant options you want to update. Variants are different versions of the same product, such as size, color, or style. Click on that product to open its full settings page. This is where you can edit the details connected to that item, including pricing for each individual variant. After the product page opens, scroll down until you see the Inventory and Variants section. This section is important because it controls the different combinations available for the product. Once you find it, click Manage Variants. This will open the variant table where you can view each option in its own row. Now locate the exact variant you want to change. Take a moment to confirm that you are editing the correct row, especially if the product has several combinations. In the price field for that variant, enter the new value you want to use. This lets you set a specific price for that version of the product without changing the price of the entire item. It is a useful way to charge more or less depending on the option selected by the customer. As you type in the new amount, make sure the value is accurate before moving on. Even a small pricing error can affect what customers see in your store. If your product has multiple variants that need different pricing, this same area is where you can review them one by one. Once the new price has been entered, go to the top right corner of the page and click Save. Saving is the final step that applies your pricing update. If you leave the page without saving, your changes may not be kept. After that, the selected variant will reflect the updated price in your Wix product settings. This is a simple process, but it is very useful when you need more control over how each product option is priced. That covers everything you need to know.